Okay, so the time is up. So we will start our live session now. So today we are using the Monin frosted mint syrup to make 3 variety of drink, but not demonstration by me. Okay, today I ready a special for you guys, which I have asked one of my colleagues, which is very professional and have many years of experience on how to making variety of drinks, cocktail, and mocktail. Okay, let's just welcome our bartender, Andrew. Okay,所以呢，这个呢就是我今天要为大家介绍的这个Andrew， 他对冲泡饮料这方面呢，不管是水果茶还是鸡尾酒啊、cocktail、mocktail 都非常有经验的。所以呢，今天呢将会由他来跟大家分享和介绍如何使用这一款Monin的 frosted mint syrup 来冲泡3种不一样的饮料。所以接下来交给你了。
那我们今天的话，我们都会跟你们用如何用 frosted mint。Now, hi everyone, I'm Andrew from So today I will introduce you about the Monin by just using the frosted mint to do this variety of drinks. Also we are doing for Raya. So today I will teach you guys for the first drink, which is using fresh passion fruit. And also by using soda. So first, I will using our passion fruit. Fresh passion fruit. If you have fresh, it's the best. And if you don't have, you can come and buy from us. Then for passion fruit, we'll use the 15 ml. So after you measure it, 这我们会做百香果，然后百香果的话用15公升，毫升，然后过后你就把它量好以后，你把它倒在杯子。So after you measure the passion fruit, and then you just pour into the cup. You can use your house around to do it, or any this cup. So, and also we will do using fresh lime juice. We did 5 ml. And just need slightly smash it, more tastier. And lastly, we put soda. And before that, also you add some ice. Also some water. And also we have using monster soda. If you don't have it, you can buy it. So this is the first drink. It will be like this. It will be now we will have a taste. It will be sweet and sour, and it's because lime inside and passion fruit. It's very good for puasa, as now still in Ramadan, so it's very good drinks. So before we'll be using Monster soda. If you have it, you can come and grab it. You can use just click price down or Lazada link in the below, or Facebook PM us. We will PM directly to you. And secondly, we will do the second drink, which is rainbow soda. And please come and screenshot. So we were using the bad glass or some special glass for you. So for this one, you just first put roasted meat. And put some crushed ice. So you can take out your shaker or some glass and use the muddler and crush it. We're also using the grapefruit, which is 15 ml. And also 20 ml water. Stir it. you have a shake to have a good shake. Good. And you put after shaking, just pour it. And lastly, use our Monin Strawberry syrup. To about 10 ml. And soda. Stir it a little bit, and this will be the third. There will be second drink, which is third 3-layer drinks. And then you just boil, and then you will put it. Just slowly put it in the mashed spoon so that it will not drop. This will be the third drink, 3-layer drink, as you can see. And before you can put some special garnish as well, like mint. So this is the second drink. Let me try the test. It is very yummy. Very fresh. So before we start the third drink, guys, right? And I will do the last one, which is using lychee mint soda. Please say how many breaths. So for this lychee mint soda, we will using means frozen mint by using just 5 ml. And also a shaker. And also lychee syrup. Lychee. This lychee we're using 20 ml. Pour inside also, and also add ice in the shaker to get a nice. And just pour it. And lastly, add on top up with the soda water. Will be the third drinks of the day. Will be two different layers. One before gravity, our recipe photo. It's so good. If you have lychee and also have soda taste, and also have some little bit of mint smell, as we use for the mint. So good. I like it. Today will be this week. And also if you don't have, just please come to our Facebook Lazada or FB PM us and go to Golden Choice Marketing in Berhad. Thank you. So it will be the end of the day. So we'll be see you guys on next Tuesday. We have our live every Tuesday and Friday. So see you guys on next Tuesday. Thank you.